Um, as you guys notice, I haven't uploaded any tutorials or videos for a month now. So I think I have to talk about, guys, what is going on in my life. I've been in uni since that month that I stopped uploading, and I've been really busy. Things have been a little bit difficult, more than I thought, and I thought I'll have time to keep doing videos. I don't. So I'm really sorry. A lot of you guys have asked me for help to make more specific videos for problems that you have. I haven't been able to do that. Now I've received a request from one of the chairs in uni, I think that's the name in English, to make a complete start to finish game in Unreal. So it's going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort, but it's a great opportunity for me to record it and put it on the channel, so you guys get to see more or less a professional video about doing a game from start to finish. So that's going to be pretty cool, I think. It's not going to really be a tutorial. I'm not going to really be explaining. I might not be able to commentate in every video because I may work there on uni, so I really can't talk. But it's going to be great for you guys to watch and learn how to make a little bit of a more professional product. So that's going to be cool. And in other terms, I'm going to have a Discord channel in the description where you guys can send me requests to get into the server. Actually, that's what the link is for, sorry, my bad. But you guys are going to be able to talk to me about job inquiries. If you guys have any job for me, you want me to do a specific part in your project that has to do with programming or game design, that's going to be pretty cool. And I now have a PayPal account, so if you guys want to hire me for something that you have in mind, you can talk to me on the Discord server. We can get to an agreement, and we can both help each other, because I'm working to be in uni and it's really a pain in the ass to do everything. So if you guys could help me out with giving me actually a job that I like, which is programming, that would be pretty cool. So if you guys are interested or need any help in that regard, you can go to the Discord server. If you have any quick doubts that I can talk to help you and stuff, or make like a very quick video that I can really take to explain you, or screen time on Discord, the screen share, we can also do that. I think I'm gonna have a couple of minutes to help you. I hope so. You can join the Discord server and talk to me about what you want. That's gonna be pretty cool. That's everything, I think. So in the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be uploading that game that I'm gonna be doing, and you're gonna be able to talk to me about jobs that you may want me to do, and we can set up the price and stuff. It's just it's not that I don't care about the money. It's not really a top priority. I do need it. It does help me, but I'm more interested in experience and actually do something. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really sorry that the channel was kind of a very specific tutorial series, and like I could do videos to help you then specific. It's gonna change because I don't have time. I may get back to it when I have holidays or something, but right now I don't have time, so I apologize. Again, anything you guys need, Discord server, talk to me, or even in the comments if you want. And there's been someone that asked me in one of the comments for if I wanted to be hired for a job. You can go into the Discord that I'm gonna leave the link, and we can talk about it. So yeah, my aim is fucking terrible. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.